Hi respirable. So this is how I make my own popular Nigerian Kokoro Egba. So first you get your dried corn, make sure you wash it properly and boil it on fire till it is soft. Till it is soft enough for your blender. So after then you pour it into your blender, and then I added my onions and some garlic. This is the secret to making kokoro egba. A lot of onions, I mean enough onions. Then blend it into this consistency as you're seeing right here. Make sure it is not too watery, it has to be thick. Then transfer it into a bowl and add some salt, just enough salt, reasonable quantity of salt, and add an additional corn flour just to thicken it a bit so that we will be able to roll it. So note, this is my own method of making the kokoro egba. If you have any other method, there's no problem. So here's the consistency. It is slightly soft and roll gently. You have to be gentle when you are rolling this, or else it's going to give you a lot of problem. So after rolling, make it into a ring. You can also leave it as a stick, but the popular Nigerian kokoro egba is usually made into a ring, and you can also roll it on your palm, then form it into a ring. So here is what I got. Then next, make sure that your oil is hot, at least it is hot enough. Then gently drop in your corn rings, your kokoro rings, and fry till it is dry or not too dry as you wish. So here is our kokoro egba. This was so crunchy, it was delicious. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share and follow.